Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello to my lecturer, Sir Isan, and my dear viewers. My name is Mohammad Haikal, and my matrix number is 07 DEC20012. I'm from Polytechnic Kota Kinabalu, and I'm from class DEC208. Today, I'm going to present my mini project Fundamentals Programming, which is I have to build a C program, or C program. Sorry. C program to allow customer to calculate the energy usage and estimate the amount of bills. So to begin with, is the program that I have built. So first thing first is to put in hashtag include stdio.h, which is the main library files for the program. So next I put in int main, which is the main command, and underneath it is float. And the reason I use float command because it gives a decimal points and which is give a better result. And for the variables, I put in CR, which is for current reading, PR, previous reading, energy, bill, and minimum charge equals to 5 ringgit, 5.00. Also, I add a float for the variables for first block until sixth block. Next, I use the looping statement, which is while, so it allows users to use the program whenever they want to. So next is from line 11 to 14. This is the output that will appear on the screen, which is the main menu, which is from option 1 to option 3. And next from line 21 is I use switch command that allow customer to choose the option that they want to, which is the display electricity usage, calculate bill estimation, or 3 exit the program. So for an example, for this main menu that will appear, and this is the option that you can choose for. So next is if they choose the option 1, which is case 1, it will calculate the electricity usage that been used. So for this will appear on display, which is it will appear as previous reading and current reading. So to calculate the electricity usage, I have to put in the formula, which is energy minus PR, which is current reading minus previous reading. And then it will display the unit consumed, which is here, the command that I use. So to put an example, I put in the option 1. So I have to put in the value, which is, for example, and can link forward. So I'm sorry for the wrong type. So the unit that been consumed is 300.00 kilowatt per hour. So that is the output from the screen. So next is if the customer wish to see the bill or see the value of the bill that they want to pay it. So if they choose option, then they have to choose for option 2. So same case as the option 1. The output will display this one, the previous reading, and also current reading, and also they have to put in and the previous reading and current reading, and also I put in, and also to calculate is using the formula. Next is the display for the consumed energy, and then next is the details of the calculation, and this is where the customer know how much they have to pay. So and then it will display also the minimum charge, which is 5 ringgit. So next is the tariff. So for every usage of that have been consumed, which is for an example, if the energy that been consumed is like the example that I showed to you is 300. So if the energy is more than 1, but but more than 100, then you have to move to second tariff, which is it more than one, it's more equal to 101, but it's more than 200, and then and it's beyond the limits of the second block and the first block usage. But when we move to the third block usage, it has more equal than 201 and low than and is almost equal to 200 usage. So this is the right block usage which the user that will consume of. And then from that, it, the from that we put in the formula, which is the bill equals to minimum charge plus 17.550. This is the first tariff or first block usage plus 18.50, which is the second block usage, and then plus with energy minus with 200, which is from the third block usage, and multiply with 0.33. So from that, it will display the charge for the first user block, second user block, and third user block, and it will appear the bill that the customer will pay. So for an example, put in the option 2, and also put the previous reading and current reading. So as you all can see here, is the bill that have been calculated. This minimum charge is 5 ringgit, and the charge for first usage, second usage, and third usage is also appear on this on the output, and this is the sum of the bill that I must pay or the customer must pay. So next is also the same as the other usage, which is the fifth block, fourth block, and also sixth block, which is whenever the usage is beyond the limits of each of the block usage, it will transfer to another usage until the sixth block, until it's all, or in short, unless it find the right block usage. So next, if the customer choose to end the program, they must choose the option. But for every option that they choose, I use the break command, which is break after they do in the option, which is the first option, and then complete the program, it will break to the main menu again. So like example, this, as you can see here, when I choose the one and then I complete and then the program finish the calculation or finish the own program, it will transfer to the main menu again. This one. The same goes to if I choose option 2, and after I finish it and the program finish calculating and also finish the program, it will come back to the main menu. So if the customer wish to end the program, they just put the option 3, and the program ends. So I use and the command I use is printf, is for the output display, and also return 0. So we will break the program and also end it. So and end it. So from that, this is how I print the program, and that's all from me, and I hope that you all can understand my explanation about my mini project and also my C program. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.